Welcome to Amazing Histories.
Ta-da! Today we're doing a review of Crash Course History.
Crash Course History, yes, this is one of your favourite channels, isn't it?
That's right. It's very difficult to talk about history on YouTube and deliberately avoid Crash Course History by John Green.
Yeah.
Hello, learned and astonishingly attractive pupils. My name is John Green, and I want to welcome you to Crash Course World History. Over the next 40 weeks together, we will learn how in a mere 15,000 years, humans went from hunting and gathering...
Mr. Green, is this going to be on the test?
Yeah, about the test. The test will measure whether you are an informed, engaged, and productive citizen of the world, and it will take...
Actually, he does that a lot. He does his younger self, older self shtick.
Yeah,
It's a shtick, and he does that in a couple of episodes. I don't know if he's stopped doing it, but it's fun.
It does. I mean, the entire course goes from beginning to end. I mean, it literally is a course. It follows the American syllabus.
Yeah, right.
And
oh, it does?
Yeah, of course it does. These are all educationalists. These guys, teachers and so on. I mean, he's a professional teacher. You can tell. I mean, and look at the production values here. We have lighting. I think he's even got makeup. We have lighting. We have graphics.
He's got
animations
with all these factoids inside.
Yeah, that's right. There's a tremendous amount of work on that,
yeah.
and there's a routine, isn't there? I mean, look at
it's got
this
an animated timeline.
Yeah,
yeah,
we can't do any of it. Well, we can, but we spent forever on it.
But he's jammed his episodes full of facts too.
It is,
so
yeah.
stick a lot. Well, of facts
one of the nice things about it is that he doesn't just give you facts. He gives you the theoretical construct behind how those facts were assembled, so to speak. He tells you what the historical theories are. It says from a Marxist perspective, such and such. From a I don't know what American perspective.
Okay, once again, highly accurate, full of facts. He is very entertaining.
Such a thing can even be created, and how is it possible that those 490 calories can be served to me for an amount of money that if I make the minimum wage here in the U.S., I can earn in 11 minutes? And most importantly, should I be delighted or alarmed to live in this strange world of relative abundance?
Well, the agricultural revolution is humans.
Well, that's right. I mean,
it's first attempt at mass production of food. So it is a big thing,
and it's a big. He does these big abstract ideas very, very well, and it brings them to life. And they do the Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt. They're going through. The history of the world.
Yeah, but there is a reason why this guy has 8.6 million views, though. I mean, he uses American humor. I mean, it's very funny, and he's kind of slightly comedic.
Yeah.
So I can see why the kids love him.
Yeah. Well, and also I think it's a great asset to you if you're doing an examination. So Crash Course, what can you say about it other than we look with envy upon it? This is what we would like to do, really, because it gets so many viewers and so on, and it's so valid.
I gotta ask you, John, if you're watching this, do you have like a team of animators? Are they doing this all for you? Is it just one guy? Is it just one guy?
No, it must be a team. I mean, look at the credits it's got here. Caption author, caption authors.
Right.
Caption. These are all caption authors.
They're all over the world.
Yeah.
Portuguese, French, Croatian, Vietnamese. Okay, I can see what he's doing. He's getting help from everywhere.
Yeah, and they've got a studio set up as well. They've got sponsors.
Yeah, so he's got a green screen. He's got animation. He's got graphics. Yeah. It's very slick.
Yeah, but they don't just do history. This lot. I mean, they've got crash course in history. They've got but they've also got crash courses in physics and maths and so on there. So they're doing the full curriculum.
It's a full thing.
Yeah. And it feels very current. Feels very sexy. And then we turn to us, and I kind of think, well, we're kind of, I don't know, kitsch.
Yes, but I mean, you know what? Despite what you think, right? The world is only this big, okay?
Yeah.
Right? On YouTube, the world is this big, and we have a lot of well-researched stuff, and we've got funny graphics. Okay?
Yeah, well, that's true. And And we try to be funny and dynamic, don't we?
Yeah, we're
try
absolutely
to
hilarious.
That's right. And I'm sat here looking very fat and bloated. It's Christmas. I put weight on.
Yeah, I've got the jacket to hide it.
Yeah, yes, that's right. I'm sat. It's the way I'm sat, really. I'm just looking at that. Oh, right. I'm getting distracted now. I'm looking at with envy. This guy though. He was like that then.
Oh,
he was thin then. This was shot a few years back. It's quite an old show now.
Right.
So how he looks now, he's gone to seed. He's turned to alcohol and drugs. He's enormously fat. And he's got hair down.
He'll watch this and he's gonna hear you say that. Okay. Yeah.
No, he won't watch this. He's too busy out scoring.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah, he must be. There must be something terrible. He can't be that good. He can't be head of some institute now. He can't. One hopes that success hasn't gone to his head.
Yeah, but when you've got 2 movies under your belt or something like that, with John Green as screenwriter.
Yeah.
So. Best-selling author, so...
Who has? He has.
Yeah.
Does he? Oh, yeah. I hate him.
Yeah,
these people. Right, well there you go. We hate Crash Course, but I guess we'd better recommend that you subscribe to it because everybody else is subscribing to it. But think about poor us as well. You heard about Crash Course here. You must have heard about it because everybody seems to have heard about Crash Course. Right.
Okay.
You have been amazed.
This is Amazing Histories.
Ta-da!
Okay, that's good.